Select text tool and type. Increase the text size. Type book my show. I am using a font named Fabiolo. Little bit scale up. Change the color to dark gray. Select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Fill color none. Take scissors tool and click on this to anchor point to cut the side. Now select it, go to Effect, Distort Transform, then select Zigzag. Put the ridges per segment value 7. And size 14 and hit OK. Select the zigzag path, go to Object and expand Appearance. Little bit zoom. Take direct selection tool, select both the anchor points. Right click, then join. Do same for this corner as well. Now take ellipse tool, draw a circle, put it over the shape. Select both. Take shape builder tool and subtract this part. Then change the color to red. Select shape, right click on it, arrange, send to back. Select the pronoun and change the color to white. Select the shape, rotate clockwise and then stroke color none. Adjust the position of the text little bit. This is how we can make logo in Illustrator.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.